Natco Pharma advanced as high as 4% in the morning trade on the back of a settlement order in the United States patent case over the generic version of Ozempic products. The company announced that Mylan Pharmaceuticals and Novo Nordisk have reached a settlement of the US patent litigation related to the generic of Ozempic. AU Small Finance Bank reported healthy loan and deposit growth for the July-September quarter, which sent its shares 3% higher in trade. The lender's loan deposits grew almost 13% year-on-year to Rs 1.1 lakh crore. Its CASA deposits increased by 10.9%. NBCC India jumped over 4% as the stock traded ex-bonus in trade today. Today also marks the record date for determining the shareholders who are eligible to receive these bonus shares. The PSU had announced a bonus issue in a 1:2 ratio, granting one fully new paid-up equity share of Rs1 for every 2 existing shares previously held. JP Morgan upgraded LTIMindtree to an overweight rating with a target price of 6,900 rupees per share. This indicates an upside of about 13% from the previous closing level. LTIMindtree is considered a good proxy play to the banking and financial services sector, especially in the US and other international geographies. Mphasis bagged a similar upgrade from JP Morgan with a target price of Rs 3,400 per share. This implies a 19% upside for similar reasons. Mphasis, as an IT services player, has a 59% exposure to the BFSI space. Reliance Power shares continued their decline, hitting the 5% lower circuit for the third consecutive session as investors engaged in profit booking. The stock is now trading 11% below its 52-week high of Rs 53.64, which it touched last week. Suzlon Energy fares fell also to their 5% lower circuit, extending losses for the 8th straight consecutive session. The sharp decline of over 12% in 1 week follows an advisory warning issued by the NSE and the BSE earlier this month. Vodafone Idea stock dropped as much as 9% after the Department of Telecommunications reportedly slapped a notice over the non-payment of bank guarantees which were required to cover past spectrum auction dues. Kalyan Jewellers India fell as much as 5% as investors rushed to book profits of the stock after the company released a strong Q2 business update. The 40% run-up in the stock over the past 3 months gave investors plenty of leeway to take home partial profits. Varun Beverages share price slumped 5%, extending its fall for a third consecutive session following the company's announcement of a board meeting on Wednesday to consider raising funds through the QIP route.